Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Emily from At Home with Emmy. In this channel we are all about home. We do poultry farming, we do gardening, we do home improvements. And today it's a cold season. I'm going to show you how to wash your carpets at home without using too much water for quicker drying. And what I need is my gloves, which is optional. You can use them or not. I have my spray bottle over here. I have my multi-purpose soap. I have my brushes over here. I have a hard one. I have a softer one. I have a vacuum cleaner over here. And I have my basin. So step one, vacuum your carpets thoroughly. Here we are. We vacuum it to get rid of all the dust. See how dirty our carpet was. So the next thing you are going to do is pre-treat your carpet. And here I have my spray bottle. As you can see, it has little water. This is cold water. I'm going to use warm water to treat this carpet. I have my hot water over here. So I'm going to mix it with the cold water. And by the way, as I treat, I have this multi-purpose soap which I made in the other video. If you watched, you can use a carpet cleaner or any cleaning detergent that you have. I'm going to use it. So here is my warm water. It's warm, not hot, not cold. You pre-treat your carpet to loosen the dirt. So that's it, guys. So we did this to loosen the dirt. As you can see, there was some dirt over here. It was food. So you give it like 5 minutes. Then we go to the next step. So next we are going to wash our carpet. I have my soap over here. I have water that is not soapy. It's not soapy. I have water over here to rinse. Now I need my vacuum again. Right here. This is what we are going to do. We are going to wash every portion as we vacuum. Remember, we have already treated. I'm going to wash every portion. I rinse this place. This water is not soapy. Can use this nozzle. This vacuum cleaner has different nozzles. I have this one. When you're using a small nozzle, it sucks better, but it consumes a lot of time. So for a carpet, I'd rather use this one. The water that I just sprayed. If you want, you can go the other way using this alone. I told you I'm going to wash this carpet in portions because I don't want to oversaturate it with water. So here we go. This place. First I rinse it. You can see I'm using soapy water. First I'm going to rinse it like this. I saturate it with water so that when I suck it, you carry all the dirt. Just follow me carefully, guys. I'm washing this carpet inside the house. So if you live in apartments where you have no space outside to wash your carpet, you can do this style of mine. See how clean our carpet is now. So I'm going to do the same to the rest of the carpet. Okay, now I'm done cleaning my carpet, so let's see the amount of water we have used. I told you I'm going to use so little water to clean this carpet. See guys, see, this is the only water we have used and the carpet is clean. So what are you waiting for, guys? All you need is to get a vacuum cleaner, because you cannot do this without a vacuum cleaner, and it will be easy. To save you a lot of money than taking your carpets to the car wash to clean them, but it's all up to you. It's all up to you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. What is left of me now is to take this carpet outside so that it can dry. Within 1 or 2 hours it will dry, because actually I can even sit on it. It's already dry. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, guys. Please show me some love. Show me some love by touching the black button over there, please. And you will not miss out for my next videos. So thank you and God bless you all.